Hi, this is Elizabeth with WTI, and are you sick of having boring white paper? Well, it's time to update that with some fun yellow writing paper. This is the legal pad from Topps. It's your standard 8.5 by 11 3/4 inches. This is the fun canary yellow paper. You get 12 of these, and that's a lot. You're really gonna be all prepared for all of your paper needs. So whether it's just you're writing a lot of letters or doing a lot of paperwork, or you need them for a classroom or for an office, these are really going to help you get the job done and last for a while. What I love about these legal pads is that one, it's going to rip from the top. So normally you have a spiral notebook and they have all those shredded lines and everything. Well, these are going to cleanly rip off at the top. So they always look really good. Also, if you're a left-handed person, you're probably sick of always being hit by the spiral notebooks that cannot be comfortable. So this way, no matter if you're left-handed or right-handed, you never have to deal with that spiral notebook issue because it rips right off from the top. So if you're in need of some new writing material and you want a fun canary yellow, look no further, Topps has got you covered, and that's my point of view.